Hello friends, welcome back. Hope you're doing well and are ready for the next session in this Agile and Scrum series. In this session and the upcoming sessions, we will discuss in detail about the 3 Scrum artifacts, which are product backlog, sprint backlog, and definition of done. Let us start our discussion with understanding Scrum artifact. So, what is a Scrum artifact? Scrum artifact represents work or value. These artifacts promote transparency of information among the stakeholders and the Scrum team. There are 3 Scrum artifacts and each artifact contains a commitment to ensure focus against which progress can be measured and to reinforce empiricism. For the product backlog, it is the product goal. For the sprint backlog, it is the sprint goal. For the product increment, it is definition of done. Let us discuss each of them one by one, starting with the product backlog. Before we discuss about the product backlog, let us understand what is a product. Anything that delivers value or addresses user need and has customer buyers in the market is called as product. It can be service, physical product, or an abstract thing, but it should be addressing and solving the customer pain point. The product backlog is an emergent list of all the business requirements and work that need to be completed by the Scrum team. What is present in product backlog represents the work for the development team. It is a single source of work, it is a dynamic document, and it exists throughout the product lifecycle. It is an ordered list where items present on the top of the list are of more importance, whereas items present in the bottom of the list are of lesser importance. It is an evolving document where new product backlog items are added, obsolete product backlog items are removed, and the product backlog items are refined and updated. The product owner is accountable for the product backlog management. The product backlog consists of a product goal and list of product backlog items. The product goal captures the long-term state of the product which we want to achieve, and product backlog items are list of work that when completed will help us in achieving our product goal. Any product backlog item which goes into the product backlog should be consulted with the product owner. The product owner has the full authority to remove or deprecate any requirement. He owns the product backlog and is accountable for the list and the state of items present in the list. It is transparent, detailed, and clear to all the stakeholders and the development team members. The product owner is accountable for developing the product goal and explicitly communicating the product goal to all the stakeholders and the Scrum team members. The product owner creates and adds the product backlog items in the product backlog. The product owner also communicates the product backlog items to the stakeholders and to Scrum team members. The product backlog management includes addition of new requirements. The product owner has the authority to add new requirements as and when he receives those requirements from the customers. Now let us understand this better with the help of an example. Here we see that there is an existing product backlog which has 5 product backlog items, and then the PO receives 2 new requirements. These requirements are added to the product backlog by the product owner, leading to an updated product backlog. The product owner, if required, can remove obsolete requirements from the product backlog. Let us understand this better with the help of an example. Considering this existing product backlog, we have total 5 product backlog items, and the product owner understands that the 5th requirement is an obsolete requirement. So he can remove the product backlog item, which is an obsolete requirement, from the product backlog to get an updated product backlog. Each product backlog item has attributes such as order, value, estimate, and description. The product backlog items can be ordered based on business value, cost of delay, dependency, and risk. Let us now understand this better with the help of an example. We have an existing product backlog with 5 product backlog items. These requirements are ordered based on the criteria that can be business value, cost of delay, dependency, and risk. The output of this evaluation is an ordered product backlog with a list of ordered product backlog items. The items on the top of the updated product backlog are the most important requirements, and the items present in the bottom of the product backlog are the least important requirements. The product owner ensures that the product backlog is visible and transparent and clear to all. The product owner is the owner of the product backlog and is accountable for the contents and state of it. Let us understand this better with the help of an example. Here we can see that the latest version of the product backlog is visible to the stakeholders and the Scrum team members. It is the accountability of the product owner to ensure that the latest version of the product backlog is visible and transparent to all. Now let us consider a scenario of product backlog management for multiple Scrum teams. Only one product backlog should be there for one product, and that product backlog should be owned by only one PO. Multiple Scrum teams working on the same product should refer to the single product backlog, as the product backlog acts as a single source of work for all the development teams. I would like to thank you all for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for future notifications.